Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. Today we will see how to convert a postfix expression to infix expression. Along with that we will solve two examples to have a good grip over it. First, how to convert postfix to infix. For that we will just read the symbol from the input. Whether that input is either it will be an operand or it will be an operator. Suppose if the symbol is operand, then we will push it into the stack. If the symbol is operator, then what we will do? First we will remove the top two elements of the stack. Suppose there are 5 elements in the stack, then we will remove the first 2 elements, that is whoever are at the top of the element. We will remove that 2 elements, and after that we will add that operator in between that 2 operands. Right? What I am telling, we will just get the 2 elements out of the stack, and after that whichever operator who came, we will just put that in between that operands, right? After that we will create a new string and will put the operator between the operands. Push this string into the stack. Now whatever is the resultant answer, right? Now suppose the 2 operators which are at the top are a comma b. We have removed them. Then we will just add the operator in between them, and whatever string is formed, we will just put it into the stack again. Are you getting that? Right? Let's start with some example. And at the end only one value remains in the stack, which is our infix expression. The one which remains in the stack at the final stage will be our infix expression. Suppose first input is a, then what will be our stack value? Yes, a only, right? Now what is this? B. Then again our stack value will be a comma b. Why we are pushing that? See, if the symbol is operand, then push it into the stack. What is operand? Whichever the alphabets or anything except for operators. Operators means plus, minus, multiplication, any signs are known as operands. Now plus. So now what will happen? Now the operator came. So if the operator comes, then we have to pop 2 values. Which are the 2 values in the stack which are at topmost? Yes, a comma b. So both are at top 2. So what will be the process in this? Will be a plus b. This will be the process when we pop it, right? It will be the process. So now after removing this, stack is empty. So now a plus b is formed. Again we have to push that to the stack. So our resultant stack will be a plus b. Are you getting? Remove the top 2 elements from the stack. Do the operations by adding the operator in between them. It should be in the same order in which you are removing. The topmost is b, so it will come at last here, and a is at first, so it will be first. So here the topmost is b and second topmost is a. Now after removing them, the stack is empty, but after this procedure a plus b, we have to again push that to stack. So our now stack contains only single element. Now again c comes, right? Now what happens? C comes, it is operand, so we have to push that. Yes, so now who is at top of the stack? C is at the top of the stack. Now multiplication. So what will happen? Now it's an operator. So remove the top 2 elements. Who are there? A plus b and c. A plus b is now single term, right? So what will happen? A plus b is a single term. So we will write it in the round bracket, and c is the topmost. So what we have to do? Put the sign in between and push this into the stack. So this is our stack. So this is the final answer. So our final answer will be a plus b star c. This is the infix conversion of the postfix input. Let's try with something other, right? A, B, C, okay. So what we will do? The input is A, our stack will contain A. Why? Because it's operand, so it will be pushed to the stack. Again the input is B, it will again be pushed. Now the top of the stack is B. Now third element, that is C, again it's operand, so it will be again pushed to the stack. So now what will happen? All are operands. So till now we were just pushing, and top of the stack is C. Whoever comes last will remain at the top. Now division. Now as soon as the division comes, the process starts. Remove top two elements of the stack. Who are top two? B and C. So what will happen is B and C will be first removed, and after that we will add the sign. Add the sign which or the operator which came, and then we will put this back to the stack. So now what will be our stack value? A was already there, B and C we removed and we did the process, and now we are pushing this process again back, B, C. So this is just the way you can do. No need of this output way, you can do it whatever way. You can say popped items or anything you like. This is just my way of explaining you the things. Now minus. Again the operator, remove the top two elements. Who are the top two elements? B, C is the first element and A is the second element. So first remove those two elements, B / C. These are the two elements. Add the sign which has arrived. So this is now the single term. So we will again push it to the stack after our work is done. Next. Now comes the A again, right? So what we will do is we will just push that back to the stack. So now our stack value is A minus B / C, which is a single term, and comma A. Again K, again we will push that. Why? Because it's the operand. So we are pushing the operands. So now our top of the stacks are K and after that A. Again division. So now what we have to do? We have to remove the topmost element and the second last element, that is both the elements who are at top. So who are the A and K? We will remove them first and add sign between them. So what is the sign? A divided by K, and what will be done here? They are popped, right? So whatever is left is A minus B / C only. So we will write that first, A minus B / C, and now we have to push this again. Our result should be pushed again. So it will be A / K, right? So our stack will contain A minus B / C, comma A / K. Now again L. So again our operand. So we will push that to the stack and L. Right? Now again what is there? It's minus. So it's again the operator. So what will be our function? First pop the two elements who are at topmost position. So K and L. Add minus sign in between. See, the order should be very much important. K minus L. It should not be L minus K. Both are very different things. So in whichever order you are moving them out, it should be same way. It should be arranged over here, and after that add the sign in between. Now you have popped these two elements, right? What is pop? That removing those elements. Sorry, here it's A / K, right? Not only K. It was my mistake. So yes, my first element is A / K and second element is L, right? So now we have just popped them out. So we have removed these two elements. So now our stack will be A minus B / C. Now we have to push this back again. After our work is done, we just have to push it back. So now our stack will contain minus L. Yes. So now another one is multiplication. So now when we add multiplication, it's again the operator, so we will remove two elements. Who are they? First element is a minus b slash c is the single element, and a minus a slash k, that is a divided by k minus l, is a single term, right? So we will just add the sign in between them and our task is done. So final output will be this one. We will again push it to the step, and whatever stays at last is our final answer. See, here only single element stays after all the function is performed, and that is our final answer. This is the final infix conversion, postfix to infix. So this is the infix declaration, right? Hope you understood, and if you liked my video and if you have any other suggestions, please comment it so I can improve and can give a better knowledge. Thank you and have a great day ahead.